It's just over a week away until the East Lancs Railway Open House weekend. While tickets are now fully booked for the shed tours, tickets are still available for the main event, priced at just £15 for adults, £13.50 for young persons aged 16 and 17, and £10 for children. These tickets include unlimited train rides between Bury and Ramsbottom on a top and tailed steam and diesel service, entry to the Bury Transport Museum and Bury Bolton Street Station, where in the bay platform we'll have our 75-ton breakdown crane on display, and there'll be a number of trade stands selling model railways and racing funds for locomotive owning groups. Over the weekend, we'll be offering taster driver experience courses on our former Manchester Ship Canal locomotive Gothenburg. For just £75, you'll have the opportunity to join our crew and drive Gothenburg to Burrs Country Park and back. Sessions can be booked on the day on a first come first served basis. There are also a very limited number of free tickets available for the Railway 200 Inspiration Train, which will be with us on the Saturday of the event. For full details, timetables, and to book your visit eastlancsrailway.org.uk.